Hi, this is Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the knife series playlist. In this video we found this mossy oak utility knife. Not utility knife, multi-tool. Let's see here, 11-in-1 multi-tool right there on the bottom. Here's the breakup country, whatever that means. Looks pretty big. Let's see here, maybe I can keep that glare off of here. Outside opening, 11 tools, lifetime warranty, sheath included, non-slip rubberized handle. This is the number 5315, mossy oak, with the warning, and then here's the distributed by whoever that is, made in China, and it comes with a sheath. So let's crack this thing open and see what this is about. Got my most used everyday carry buck knife right here. This is the 738. See if we can get this thing open here. See if I can remember to cut away from myself. Looks like my buck needs a little bit of sharpening. Now I bought two of these multi-tools, and my idea is to give one of these away. Don't know when that's going to happen, but that's the plan. I've got 7 or 8 knives that I need to give away, and I got some tools to get rid of, and I'll let y'all know in the future how this is going to happen. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, and you're going to have to leave some kind of comment, some kind of interaction. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. Let's go and take this sheath out of here while we have this open. And what do we have here? There we go. That's what that is. You put this aside here. Look at the sheath first. Nylon. Got a snap. How good is that snap? Let's check that out. Kind of hard to push, but it does close easy. Belt hook right here in the back. Looks like it might be a little off-centered. Should be up a little bit higher. How's this knife fit in here? Let's see, it's going to go this way. Ooh, that's a tight fit. And does it close? Oh, just barely. It's going to be tough. It does fit in there, but it is a tough fit. Uh-oh. Already got stuck. Let's go this way with it, see what happens. Still real tight. There we go. Stuck again. Not the best design on there, is it? There, it's already ripped it. See there? Belt clip's already ripped this. So, what do you think about that? If you plan on using it in this sheath, you might have to take the belt clip off. It may say that somewhere in the package, I don't know, but just throw that aside. It is pretty heavy. Let's see here. Got the spring grip on there, so it does open. And how does it line up? It is closing pretty evenly. Top feels flat, sides feel pretty even. Has a wire cutter right here. we go. Kind of like those pliers. Let's close this back up, see what's on the side here. Let's see here. I wonder if I can open these up with my bare fingers. Gonna look at these. There we go. Got all those opened up. Might as well get these opened up too while we're doing that. Now let's just stick with this one side for now. Okay, we have a can opener and we have a screwdriver. Pretty basic. Here we have another screwdriver, bottle opener or can opener, whichever way you want to use those. And I don't really know what that little divot is for. I'm pretty sure that's a can opener instead of a bottle opener. But I'm sure you can use it for both, whatever you prefer. It's your knife, do what you want. Okay, you got two blades here. This one is a... There's a lock on it. So, gotta push this back this way to unlock it. Let's see here. Hear that? Locked in place. Release it. Got a nice little saw here. Feels pretty sharp. Feels very sharp. Surprising me. In fact, I have a little piece of wood right here. Just a piece of scrap wood. Let me close this knife blade right here and we're going to try that saw blade. See how effective that is. Of course it's still opened up. Let's see, let me tilt the camera down a little bit. There we go. Let's see if the saw really works. It does cut. Not great, but it does cut. Okay, let's look at, fold this saw blade back up. We have a serrated knife right here. Doesn't feel very sharp. A little disappointed in that. Well, very disappointed in that. Let's fold that up and get it out of the way. Let's go to this other side now. What do we have over here? We have a file. Heard that lock into place. We have a Phillips head screwdriver. And we have one of these. And we have the main cutting blade, which is not the sharpest. I'm going to open this up. You heard that? Snapped into place. Close these back up. Let's check out this blade here. I'm not expecting it to be real sharp. But I have a piece of paper here. Let me grab it. Okay, I kicked the little camera tripod when I was getting up, but there we go. It's not even going into the paper, is it? Look at that. If I give it a big sharp push, it'll start cutting the paper. Let me do it like this, see what happens. That's pretty sad. Pretty sad. I think I gave $7 or $8 for this thing. I don't know. I don't know. So, Mossy Oak, I may have wasted my money on your product. I think I bought this at Sports Authority. I'm not quite sure. Could be. But, very disappointed. Very disappointed. You should not have to take this off to use the sheath. It won't fit in this way, will it? Well, you could probably force it in there. Let's see that. No, that's not going to go in there that way. So, it is what it is, right? What do you expect? It says rubberized handle, but that doesn't even... If that's rubber, it's so thin, it's paper thin. Anyway, this is Carl. If you see this at Sports Authority, I would suggest don't waste your money on it. And I'll figure out how to give this away to one of my customers one time. Well, one of my viewers, not customers. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So, if y'all have any suggestions what I can do with this, how would be a fair way to give this away, leave me a message. My name is Carl and I do appreciate you watching.